Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. I'm Thomas and today we'll be unboxing this. It's the Ferrari 248 F1 in 1/20th scale by Fujimi. Now firstly I should say I've got a little bit of a cold, so you'll have to excuse that my voice sounds a little different in this video. As you can see here, it's 150 parts. Got some pictures of the sprues there. I think Fujimi did 4 different versions of this kit. This is supposedly the Brazilian Grand Prix version, which was won by Filipe Massa, and Michael Schumacher finished in 5th. So there we are. We'll open it up. So yeah, instructions, decals, a couple of black sprues, tyres, black sprue, black sprue, another couple of black sprues, and then we've got 3 red sprues, one of which being for bodywork, and chrome plated wheels, and a very small clear sprue. So we'll start with the instructions here, colour suggestions here in the Mr. Colour, information about decals, and yeah, they fold out like so. All the sprues and the decal instructions, and then step 1 and 2. Quite nice, it's got lots of detail there for the steering wheel design. This does have a full engine. Final set of instructions here. The 248 F1 was used by Ferrari for the 2006 Formula 1 season. The chassis was designed by Rory Byrne, Aldo Costa and John Ely, with Ross Brawn playing a vital role in leading the production of the car as the team's technical director, and Paolo Martinelli leading the engine design. The car was named after its V8 engine. 24 is the capacity in decilitres and 8 is the number of cylinders. The 248 was driven by race drivers Michael Schumacher in his last year with Ferrari and Filipe Massa in his first. The car earned 19 podiums during the season, including 9 wins, earning second place in both the Constructors' Championship and the World Drivers' Standings, with Michael Schumacher losing out to future Ferrari driver Fernando Alonso of Renault by 13 points. So we're just going to go through the sprues. This was bought brand new from Kent Models. So yeah, these are all engine parts. Nice detail on there, not really any flash that I can see. Exhaust pipes there for the V8 engine. Then another black sprue. It seems to make up part of the cockpit, as you can see here. And we've got the seats. No seatbelt detail in there, which is good because I'm going to use some aftermarket ones anyway. Pedals, other suspension parts and aero parts on here. That's nice. 2 more black sprues. Studio 27 does do a carbon fibre decal set for this, but I haven't got it. It seems to be out of production everywhere. So these are parts of the wings, barge boards, features like that. I don't think these need to be black. I think we'll have to prime and paint those a different colour. And then here we've got the flat floor, more parts of the side pods, I think, suspension, and then that's not quite nice. The plank is completely separate. So you'll be able to paint that whatever colour you need and then attach it to the floor. No masking there. That's cool. Then we've got a final sprue of black parts, and these seem to be the smallest in the set. Parts of the brakes up here. More parts of the suspension. The brake calipers are separate by the looks of it. And I think that these are those kind of flat that go on the sides of the wheels that were kind of popular in the mid 2000s. And there's the steering wheel as well. Lots of very nice detail on that. Yeah, really nice moulding on this. Very impressed. Not actually made a Fujimi Formula 1 car before, so looking forward to this one. Okay, then we've got some red parts here. These are really nicely moulded. Definitely not painted, but to a very high gloss. More aerodynamic parts there as well. That's cool. Yeah, more parts here. Seems to be a part removed here. Don't know what that was. More parts of the front wing, the underside of the nose. More little aerodynamic bits as they were used in the early 2000s. This seems to be the exhaust cover at the back. Wing mirrors, very nicely moulded. Then here we've got the bodywork. I don't know if this has a removable engine cover, but maybe the whole bodywork can be removed. We'll have to see. But yeah, nice crisp lines on there. That's good. Very lightweight. Good to see that these vents here are moulded in. Right, then we've got the wheels, and also on here it comes with the glass for the wing mirrors. These are done in a really nice chrome silver. Ferrari had moved away from using their sort of gold wheels by this point, but I don't think I'll paint these. These look really nice. Very happy with those, and they've even got the little valve stem there for inflation. Very nice. Then in here we have got tyres and the polycaps. So make sure you don't lose the polycaps because they are made of clear plastic. Put those to one side, and then yeah, tyres. These sort of mid-2000 Bridgestone groove tyres. Very nice. Unfortunately, it's very difficult to get hold of these because I needed spares for my pit stop diorama. So I'm going to be making this with the Ferrari pit crew that I've got. But yeah, very nice set of tyres here, where we've just got the lights for the rear, the low light, and the bit that goes around the cockpit there. So yeah, we've got the Bridgestone Potenza decals there for the wheels. Then this was the final year of Vodafone's partnership with Ferrari, so you can see prominently there the Vodafone logos. No tobacco sponsorship on this, but very nicely crisp printed there. Printed in Japan, it seems. 5 and 6. This was Schumacher's final year. Of course, the decals are very high quality, but for some reason don't come with the barcodes, which were used to replace the Marlboro logos in 2006. And I guess for this particular race, they also used these tiny little Vodafone logos, you can see there. Now I will have a driver figure to go with this as well, but I'll need to get the specific decals. I've also managed to source some 3D printed groove tyres from Rory at Welland's Forge. These are filament printed, which means they've got lines on them, so I'll need to do some filling and sanding to smooth these out. Thanks a lot for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Comment below. I'll see you soon.